Bolts on the road. Driven by your Southern California Honda dealers.
The Chargers kicked off their season with a statement 27-21 victory over the Kansas City Chiefs in front of an electric crowd at Neo Química Arena in Sao Paulo, Brazil. From the practice field to the fan parties and, of course, the big game. Our Chris Hayre was there to capture it all.
Well, we are back with a brand new season of Bolts on the Road, kicking off 2025 on an international stage in Brazil. The Chargers are headed to Sao Paulo, a sprawling city known for its high energy and passion for sports, to take on the Kansas City Chiefs in an AFC West showdown. A lot to do before takeoff, though, here at the Bolt. Let's go. All right, very pleased to be joined by cornerback Dante Jackson.
We're going to go out there and we're going to give everything we got, man, and try to take home a win to back on that long flight. All right, I think it's time to roll. We'll see you in Sao Paulo.
Good afternoon from Sao Paulo. We got in around 9 a.m., got some rest. Now it's time for practice. Headed over to the Corinthians training ground. Well, I tell you, day one from Sao Paulo did not disappoint. Welcome to day two. Good morning. As the Chargers rest up and get ready for the Chiefs on Friday, we're headed to the official Chargers party. We are early arrivals here at Post 06 for a Chargers takeover. But look, we have some early arrivals here as well.
This is two great football teams and a great rivalry. So by Friday night, it's going to be all about football.
So as the fans behind me watch the Cowboys and Eagles kick off the NFL season, the main event is tomorrow. Harbaugh and Herbert, Mahomes and Kelsey. Let's have a season.
Go Chargers!
To beat this team on this stage, what's going through your head right now, man?
Oh, man, we know division games count as 2 games. It's good to be able to get the win, but we know the season don't end here. But it's so good to get this win in Brazil, Pop, man. Can't wait to keep going.
A once-in-a-lifetime experience also includes a 1-0 start to the NFL season for the Chargers. Now the only thing left to do, a smooth and celebratory 12-hour flight back to Los Angeles. From Sao Paulo, Brazil, I'm Chris Hayre Sports Central.